What is up, guys? So today I have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I'm going to be showing you 6 tips and tricks for this Galaxy Z Flip 6. So let's get started. So first I'm going to talk about the cover screen. Obviously, as you know, you can have a bunch of different widgets on the cover screen, but you can also have apps. You can get this widget from the Goodlock application. How you're going to do that is you're just going to go ahead and install the Goodlock application. I'll leave links for the apps down in the description. So you're going to tap on that. You're going to go to Life Up and then download Multistar. Once you press on that, you're going to see this thing called iHeart Galaxy Foldable. Tap on that, and there you're going to see the launcher widget. So just go ahead and tap on that, and you can pick all the apps that you have: Amazon, Geometry Dash, Internet, Tim Hortons. You can add everything you want. They'll be right there. Also, you can have native apps like the Maps, Messages, Netflix, WhatsApp, and YouTube. How you're going to do that is you're going to go into your settings, scroll down until you see advanced features, tap on that. And then you're going to go into labs, then tap on apps allowed on cover screen, tap on that. And then you see maps, messages, you can turn them on or off. And then once you close your phone and then go into the widgets, you'll see this widget. So that is how you get apps on the cover screen. The next thing is the wallpaper for the cover screen. So obviously if you press and hold on the wallpaper, you can swipe through all the different pre-installed ones. If you open up the phone, then you get access to all these cover screen settings. And if you hit add new and then scroll down until you see, don't scroll that much, until you see the informative, press on those. And then now what's new is you can change the different widgets, which you couldn't do before. Obviously you can still change the colors, transparency, and you can even add images. So I'm going to add this one, hit done. Well, that's kind of pink. I don't like the pink, but you get the picture. You can change it to a bunch of different things, which is really nice that Samsung added that extra level of customization. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to create a personal contact poster. So you're going to head into your phone, then you're going to head into contacts and then tap on your profile. And then you're going to hit edit and then edit profile card. And here you can also do Portrait Studio, which is something I'm going to show you later. You can do comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor. So let's do watercolor, hit generate. And whenever you call somebody with another Galaxy device running One UI 6.1.1, your contact poster will show up, or contact card will show up on their phone, kind of like how it does on iOS. So that is definitely a super nice thing. Yeah, those don't really look that good. So I'm just going to keep it at this. And yeah, you can edit. So text. Can change the thickness and then the different font, colors. I'm going to just stick to what I had before. Hit done. You can also hit preview. So that's how it's going to show up on a fold or a tablet, and that's how it's going to show up on a smartphone. And if that's, satisfactory to you, you can just hit save and you're done. So that is how you set up a poster card. And honestly, it's just a really fun way to express your, personality. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you that, honestly, for some reason, not too many people know about is when you go to add a wallpaper, you're going to see this effects, area and also frame. But for the effects, you can choose from black and white or original black and white. If there's a subject, it'll be blurred background and then colors. So you can, change the tinted. It thinks that orange should be the best, which I think that does look pretty good, but you can do blue. I'm going to call it bubblegum or pink, purple, blue, like dark blue, light blue, I don't know. Mint green, or turquoise, yellow, back to like a watermelon color, and then the orange, or you could just pick any color that you want in the spectrum of colors and apply that too. So yeah, that's pretty fun. I do like how that black and white looks. Oh wait, yeah, then you're gonna go back, and then obviously some people still don't know that you can add widgets onto your lock screen, which is actually a really just fun way to customize your lock screen, and honestly it looks really great too. So you can do clock, calendar, battery, reminder, health. You can do a bunch of things. It doesn't really show up in this color, so there we go, black, that shows up better. And then for frames, it's basically just framing your picture. You can also choose the different color. It does work better with a subject, but yeah, it's just a really fun way to continue the customization and personalization of your phone. So yeah, that is really nice. So the next thing is the Galaxy AI Image Playground thing. So we have this new AI Image Playground area that you can basically adjust different things in your picture, select different subjects, enlarge them, or just place them anywhere and hit generate. And it will fill the picture or just, continue to edit or enlarge the picture the way you want it. And as you see, there there is the original, and that's the new one. And then whenever you save it as a copy, you're gonna see this thing at the bottom that says AI generated content. So before it just had those little stars, but now it says AI generated content, which I think is kind of nice, because then it just lets people know. You can also do the same thing just to add different things with sketch to image, and everything works really great. It's like really cool. And the next feature is something to do with everyone's least favorite assistant. So hi Bixby. Open Bixby settings. So this is a really cool feature so it's like talk to Bixby without wake up. There we go. I was blind. So by default, this is going to be turned off, but if you turn it on, when a timer, restart. Dismiss timer. Little finicky, but yeah, so that is super nice. And honestly, Bixby just got a huge update too. So a lot of people don't like Bixby, but I will have a separate video on the new Bixby. So yeah, definitely stay around for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, it would mean a lot to me if you would consider subscribing, and let me know what you think about your Galaxy Z Flip 6 down in the comments, and if you like it or not. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.